Bunubu and the carrot cake volcano mistakes can become wonderful surprises when friends work together. One rainy afternoon, Bunubu decided to bake his favorite carrot cake in the burrow kitchen. He mixed carrots, flour, berries, and a pinch of magic baking powder he found on a high shelf. As the cake baked, it began to puff higher and higher. Soon it was taller than the mixing bowl. Whiskers the mouse squeaked, "I think your cake is still growing." Suddenly, pop! The giant carrot cake burst through the top of the pan like a tiny volcano. Sweet frosting bubbled over the sides and flowed through the kitchen tunnel like creamy lava. The tunnel friends grabbed spoons, cups, and crackers to catch the delicious frosting before it spread everywhere. Bunubu carefully turned down the oven and mixed extra ingredients to calm the cake volcano. Soon the frosting river slowed, and the cake settled into a giant fluffy mountain of carrot goodness. That evening, everyone shared slices of the famous carrot cake volcano. It was the messiest and tastiest dessert the tunnels had ever seen.